In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images in HubSpot content. We'll start right from the main dashboard. First, head to the navigation and click Content. This takes you into the area where your site assets live and where you'll manage the pages that make up your website. From here, click Website Pages. You'll see a list of your existing pages, along with options to create something new. Next, click Create a Website Page. This opens the page creation flow, where you can decide how you want to build the page. For a clean slate that's easy to follow along with, choose Start with a Blank Page. A blank page gives you complete control over the layout and helps you quickly see how modules, like images, drop into place. You may be asked to name your page. Keeping names clear and consistent makes it easier to find your work later. Now you're in the page editor. To add an image, click the plus icon to open the module panel. This panel is where you'll find all the building blocks you can place on the page. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type image. HubSpot will filter the options and surface the image module right away, so you don't have to scroll. Grab the image module and drag and drop it into your layout where you want the picture to appear. You'll see a placeholder pop into the section you chose. Don't worry about exact placement yet. You can always move modules up or down later to fine-tune the design. With the placeholder selected, click Replace. This opens the file chooser so you can select the actual picture you want to use. If the image isn't in your library yet, click Upload to bring in a new file from your computer. HubSpot supports common formats like JPG, PNG, and WebP. For best performance, use appropriately sized images and compress them before uploading to keep pages fast. Once the image is uploaded, select it to insert it into the view. In the Settings panel, you can adjust alignment, size, and spacing to fit your design. Consider adding descriptive alt text here as well. It improves accessibility for screen readers and can help search engines understand your content. If you need to tweak the crop or focal point, HubSpot's editor offers quick adjustments so your image looks great on different screen sizes. That's it. You've added an image to a HubSpot page using a simple, also repeatable workflow. Navigate to Content, open Website Pages, create a new page, start blank, add the image module, replace the placeholder, and upload your file. Repeat the same process wherever you need visuals to support your message. Thanks for watching and happy building.